welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Atlantic Markets on Monday, 3rd of July. We've seen a little bit of a corrective move on across these forex majors, really, as the dollar has sort of regained some strength today. You can see here where the sterling has sort of rallied basically back towards that key May high again, just rolled over a touch. As the sort of strength of that rally has come just unwound a bit. I think that ultimately rallies, corrective moves are going to be seen as a chance to buy. If you look at all these moving averages, they're rising in bull sequence, positive configuration on the momentum, and I think generally speaking, we're going to see further tests, probably of the highs of 130.05. I mean, you're basically trading in a range now between sort of 26 to 30, 50. And I think that sort of 450 tick range, you play that range really, but I think middle of that range is just below the middle, 2775, which is the old breakout, the old key breakout, which became supportive, and then resistance I think is going to be a basis of support again. And I think anything back towards there would be a chance to buy. Now you can see the hourly chart where you buy, you've got the potential for a little bit of a double top. But it's interesting that we've got these sort of negative divergences forming on the RE and the hourly RSI and the MACD lines as this sort of run high has just started to run out a little bit of steam. So a move below 29.45, we complete a top pattern of what, about 70, 80 ticks, about 80 ticks. Yeah, that would sort of imply a move back sort of the mid 128s area. Now you've got the 129.20 support initially beyond that, but generally speaking, there's not a great deal of support, is there? Until you get to sort of the low 128s. Correction into the mid 128s wouldn't be out of the realms of possibility, would it? So yeah, I think that is perfectly possible. If that corrective move does gain traction to the downside, you've got these momentum indicators which are falling away now. So that is a concern, certainly for the bulls. But certainly it looks like sterling, I think generally speaking, is going to continue to trade in this range. Put pressure on the upside in due course with these rising moving averages. So you're looking to buy to weakness. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.